Are you looking to add an Add to Quote button to your WooCommerce store? First, get the quote for WooCommerce extension and activate it. After activation, go to WC Quote in your WordPress dashboard. Choose Quote List page. Turn on the quote basket, choose a style, and enable price options. Save your changes. Next, move to the Customization tab. Here, you can tweak the Add to Quote button to match your store's theme. Once you're satisfied with the design, remember to click Save Changes. You can also add rules to choose to include or exclude specific products for specific user roles based on the priority set by the admin. And that's it. The Add to Quote button will now appear on your shop page exactly as you designed it. Your customers can easily update and send quotes with just a few clicks. Get Quote for WooCommerce today and give your customers the power to request quotes effortlessly.